Hi, I'm Kevin with Atomic Filters, and today I'm going to go over the Trane EnviroWise FLRQB5AH23M11. This one right here is how it ships. It's a QuikBox filter, and you're going to see on the box it says one pack, but it's actually a one pack of two. So the quantity says one, but there's two filters inside. They're two QuikBox filters. The size on this is, actually, it says on the outside of the box 22.7 by 20 by 4.7. I think they may have run out of room for the sticker. The full size is 22.7 by 20.7 by 4.7. And when you open up the filters in the box, there'll be two of these packages. So two of these packages of the filters. And you'll see that when you look at the filter, you're going to see it has that full size on here, which is the 22.7 by 20.7 by 4.7, and then it has the model number as well. So we have a couple of other filters. I'm not going to build this one because I have another video that shows you how to build that filter. But if you don't want to go through the process of building the filter, Atomic makes a MERV 11 and a MERV 13 in this filter. This is the MERV 11. You'll see on the outside of the frame on the Atomic that it says, depending on the color of the media, that is going to determine what the MERV is to make it easy to delineate. So the MERV 11 is blue and the MERV 13 is green. So you're going to have wire mesh on the back of the filter, and then on the front of the filter you're going to have just the blue media that you're going to see. And on the side of the filter, you're going to see the size, 22.7 by 20.7 by 4.7. And then it's going to have the Trane model numbers that this is compatible to fit with, and the EnviroWise model numbers cabinets that this fits into. So this is a replacement for the QuikBox. There's no assembly required, and it's a you get it and you can just install it. So you don't have to go through the process of building the QuikBox filters. So thanks for tuning in. We have both of these available. We'll put links in the product video below the video. And of course you can find them on our website just by searching that FLRQB5AH23M11 model number. Thank you for tuning in.